Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here and welcome you all to my channel. And this video, I'm just going to discuss about our positional trading strategy concepts for the month of October. So we have updated our monthly sheet for positional strategy. And based on the high volatile stocks, we don't find out any for the month of October. So we can try for the stock which we have selected, the expected high volatile that was marked in the blue color. And also we can look for a percentage basis. Also we can select some stocks, but you should focus a liquid stocks from this list. And in this case, Colpol and Torrent Pharma, that is having the put strike prices is not having a good. So from that we finding some opportunities, the top 10 top stocks. So based on the percentage which we can expect from those stocks is Natul, Kankar, Petronets and TV. These are the list of stocks. So if it is giving you the opportunity that entry point which triggers based on our advanced option strategy concept, we may be looking for those stocks, may be helping you to find out trade. And today I think Atul has already moved some good movement if you are looking for a non-directional based on the high profit potential. So because the started premium, so which is somewhere around near about 418 rupees, the total premium. But today it moves near about 580 plus on the total premium on this particular strike price 7750, I think. Yeah, 7750 strike price. So that moves very well, and this is what Atul 7750. That call option, it was almost 468. It is a closing. It's a new contract, that's why it's showing you some liquidity. So you already know how to we filter out some liquid stocks, or how to avoid the illiquid stocks by using our tool. And that we already know. So only the liquid stock we are considering for our all the strategy, and some of the list of stocks which I just expecting. There is some good movement where we can expect over the month of October, that was marked in the blue color. So whenever those stock which given you the trade opportunity based on our positional concept, you may be looking those stocks also based on the top expected movement. So we don't get on a much more stocks here, and based on profit factor, and the high momentum expected stocks, and based on IVP. So these are all the things which we can plan with our non-directional strategy. And this was an updated by yesterday itself, but I can't able to make video regarding this. And this is what a monthly positional trading concepts which we are teaching on the strategical basis. And this is a tool to helping you to find out the trade opportunities. And from there, based on the advanced option strategy, we are trying to find out 3 to 5 stocks in a month. That's good enough. And based on our Google sheet and monthly positional sheet also already updated. So today we have two stocks which I have triggered today. One is an Atul and another one is National Aluminium. So after the trigger, now it is trading near about a 2.5% is lower from our entry. So National Aluminium 202, sorry, 212.5 call option. That our entry point is somewhere around 18.1. So this is a positional entry. This required the liquidity of that stock, and 18.1. So good liquid stocks is good enough for our trading. So this is what a trigger which is happening around 12 o'clock, 12:10 to 12:15. So this is a valid breakout. Some of the trades which is triggers in the beginning of the candle or first candle. So we are simply ignoring. So you know well how we can avoid that pre-trigger like a first candle. So maybe due to gap up and gap down, so many stock which triggers, and this is a valid entry. Now it is a positional one. So either we can apply any of our hedging strategies here, or naked one. So here this is what a valid entry which triggers, and those who are looking for a short breakout, and it is giving you almost 20, so more than 2 rupees, and now it is trading less than our entry point. This is the one which triggers our entry point today, the day one. Okay, and based on our positional concept. And the second one is Atul 7750, that is 444 is our entry point. 7750. This is what, and that is not a liquid, but our entry point at 1025, 315 to 430. That our entry point 444. So maybe after that move, it was not liquid 431, then suddenly it jumps. Okay, so only liquid stocks we have to focus, and nearby opportunities like Polycap, Navin Fluoride, Balram Chini, and these are all the top opportunity. Input sides, Jubilant Food, Henderson Bank, IDFC. So this is act as a scanner for our advanced option strategy, where we updated the monthly level for October contract, and this will be last till the month end, and from there we are going to find out on opportunities, and if the stock is liquid and it is given you the breakout, then it would be a better opportunities for our positional one, and few opportunity which triggers today, and you've seen that result, and it may be continuous, and tomorrow holiday, so day after tomorrow onwards it is going to be run. And as per our weekly positional, we have some more stocks to call and to puts which triggers, and yesterday some of the trade triggers, and now it is moving lower, and these are all the new opportunities which we find out for, sorry, that was yesterday, and today, so we are finding some opportunities in Tata Chemical, National Aluminium, in this case 210 call option, so almost it is near about 19.5, so almost 13% higher, and some of the Navin Fluoride, I think it is triggered, and Tul also, I think Tul not triggered, so only few, and this is a weekly opportunity. Every week this sheet is going to update for the newer strike price and the newer entry point. So this is looks like a short term 3 to 4, maximum 5 days holding kind of trade, which we can plan with this particular weekly. And intraday, you know well. So it is an intraday, so a lot of opportunities which trigger based on our scanners and screeners. I just finding Balram and Navin Fluoride today, and lot of opportunities maybe after second or third candle. So for an example, Polycap 7,000. Let me check whether it is liquid or not. Polycap 7,000 call option. You can see when it is triggered our R4 breakout, that was triggering near about 11:15, 11:45 to 11:50. So if you are tracking the sheet, and you can find out the newer opportunities, but in my shorts video, and I'm just finding only first two opportunities which is triggered, and that we used some scanner time wise. I think those who are using our Google sheet, and they know well that particular Camarilla R4 breakouts dashboard, that telling you how do we pick out the stocks, let you tell you to find out the scanner. Based on the scanners, I am just finding out the first breakout, and a second candle, third candle, lot of breakouts which is happening, and I'm just looking for those one. So this is what our scanner, and where we finding out the first candle breakout. This is second 15 minutes. It's nothing about the stock which break the camera hour for second 15 minutes. And from this list, I'm just taking out the first two stocks, and put side also some of the stocks second first candle. On third candle like Atul, Lal Path, Deepak Nitrate, and you can look at this fourth 15 minutes granulars and bell. Okay, so this is what our dashboard which you use to find out time wise breakout on R4 level. So granulars, if you are looking at a granulars, let me check granulars. That would be broken the level by here around 10 o'clock after. That is a third of 15 minutes candle. And BHL is the one more thing. So that is also break the here. I think it is about a 10 o'clock. Okay, this is what a breakout which is happening at 10 o'clock, but in this case it was a top loss. But we are segregated the time wise of breakouts, and we will easily finding out along with that dashboard, and with our Google Sheet, easily finding out one or two intraday opportunities. And this video is mainly for weekly sheet is started updating from a Monday, and monthly sheet is started updating from today, so we can use the sheet for our positional option strategies. That is an advanced concept where we can use an hedging strategies to do it. Most probably this month also we can expect a lot of opportunities may came, and an intraday, so you know well, R4, and inside Camarilla, so we have some stocks we filtered, and some of the stocks works and some of those stocks may not work, but the accuracy is slightly higher than inside, or sorry, narrow Camarilla. That is also we are updating regularly. So thank you so much, and this is what a complete update. Our Google Sheet and monthly IV sheet also updated for the October. Only few stocks doesn't having the liquidity, and that prices are not finding out. So that was showing a zero. So leave it, and we'll be finding a few opportunities by using this. And the blue color also you can track for a breakout opportunity based on the concept which you are used. And if any opportunity came from this, and you can also go for our directional strategies from this list, or you can go with the profit percentage basis also. Thank you so much, and thanks for watching. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel And if you want to learn more about the advanced option strategy, that is the positional stock options, to find out 3 to 5 opportunity for a month, so you can just ping me on WhatsApp number to get more detail about the courses and other things. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update. Thank you.